How to get ranked tags with Vidiq extension. Now, first things first, obviously, you must have Vidiq installed, and after you've done that, you're good to go. Now, go over to YouTube and then search up, for example, anything. In my case, I'm going to search ranked tags, then I'm going to click the first video that pops up. After that video is popped up, you can see that on the right, we have a huge panel which says Vidiq, and which we can talk about and learn more about this video, especially his tags. As you can see now, we can scroll down, you can see the video tags, and here are all of the tags as well as their indexing. For example, this video is the first when you search up ranked tags, and it's all of these numbers when you search up all of these random keywords that we're seeing here. Now you can pretty much do everything here. For example, you can check out the views as well, but this is a very powerful extension that people mostly use for ranked topics. It's actually good for your channel because now you know what's your competition and now you know what not to put as your tag, for example, because there are other bigger videos that will just eat you up.